So guys, balik tayo sa channel ni Baldi Basic. Mag-cheat tayo sa klase nyo guys. Ayaw mo yung isang video ko. Tara, game na tayo.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Basta may plato doon yan.
Oo, mamaya.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Oh, gasan ko yan.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, then you might get something special. Problem 1. Great job. That's right. Problem 2. 5 minus 9 equals... You're doing fantastic. Problem 3. 7 minus 0 equals... You're doing fantastic.
Ganyan naman ang
Great! Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
ibig ako ng sudan niya. Ito na ako dito. Hindi ko alam mangyari.
Problem 1.
Wait. Ano to?
5 plus 7 equals...
7 equals 12.
You're doing fantastic. Problem 2. 9 plus 9. You're doing
Ano ba yan?
fantastic. Problem 3.
Ano yan?
Plus times equals...
Paano natin yung masasagot? Tara, ay 33. 33 to 7. Ay, ano? 33. Dalawang 3 yan eh. 7. Tapos 5 may code yan dito. 1. Tapos 9. 8. 3 minus ano to 1 na tapos 8 siguro tapos 0 and tapos 3 tapos na times row eh. Times 70. Ayun, minus 8 6 5 9 9 na rin yan minus 86 55 90 8 9 2 7 2 9 5 1. Ay, mali sipol lang ako. Baldi. Parang awa naman ni Baldi, oy. Huwag na. Labos na ako. Seven notebooks lang ako dito eh.
Sweep. I see you, friend.
Uy, wag. Wag.
I
I have lost you.
No running in
I
the hall.
don't like that.
Running the hole. Ay,
15
nagtitensyon na
seconds.
naman. Nagtitensyon na
For
naman ako.
you, your parents will hear about this one.
Mari. Wag, please. Please. Nagtitensyon kasi ako. Nagtatakbo kasi ako sa hole.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics
Ayoko na.
Education
Sige,
and
sunod na lang
Learning.
ulit.
That's me.